We have here's a beanie hat embroidered, knitted, one size fits all. They have a number of different designs, colors. Check online for further detail. We're going to unpack it and show you what it looks like. This is the hat with a stitched skeleton nollie. We're going to show you the hat on. One size fits all, stretchable, knitted. Close-up shot of the hat. Check online for further detail about the design you are looking for. Black hat, skeleton, stitched, embroidered, one size. I hope you are looking for a hat to keep you warm on those cool days. Hiking, biking, camping, fishing, walking, or just wearing it commuting, wherever you need to wear a hat. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. Hand stitch, lightweight, stretchable, machine washable, low temperature ironing, and will stretch back to its original position. Enjoy your hat, your beanie hat. Check online for different types of stitch designs. Could be worn all year round on your head. It's foldable, small, and compact.